Hey there, ready to boost your health fast? Let's dive into 5 superfoods you absolutely have to try right now. Welcome back to FitLife Secret. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we've got the best health tips coming your way every week. Today we've got something super exciting lined up just for you. So, let me ask you, do you really know what's good and bad when it comes to the foods you eat? Some foods are called superfoods, but are they really as amazing as people say? And are you unknowingly munching on stuff that's bad for your health? Today, we're diving deep into what's right and wrong when it comes to food choices. We'll uncover 5 powerful superfoods that can seriously boost your health and some so-called healthy foods that might not be as great as you think. Stick with me till the end. You don't want to miss this. So grab your smoothie or tea, get comfy, and let's get started. Number 1. Blueberries, the king of antioxidants. Blueberries are often called the king of antioxidants, and for good reason. They protect your brain, improve memory, and even help fight aging. That's a fact. But here's what most people don't know. If you're buying non-organic blueberries, you might be eating pesticides. Yes, blueberries are on the dirty dozen list, meaning they absorb chemicals easily. This can negate some of their amazing benefits, making it essential to choose the right kind. Right choice: organic or wild blueberries. These have more antioxidants and no harmful chemicals. They're like little powerhouses for your health. Wrong choice: regular store-bought blueberries that haven't been washed properly. You're basically eating a cocktail of chemicals, which is the opposite of what we want. So, have you been eating blueberries the right way? Let me know in the comments below. Just a small change can make a big difference in your health journey. Blueberries are rich in vitamin C and K, fiber, and manganese. They contain anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color and powerful antioxidant properties. Incorporating blueberries into your diet can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Whether you add them to your smoothie, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, or enjoy them as a snack, blueberries are a delicious way to boost your health. Number 2, avocados, the healthy fat you need. Some people avoid avocados because they think they're too fatty. But let me tell you, your body needs healthy fats to function properly. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which support heart health, improve brain function, and make your skin glow. These fats are essential for maintaining a balanced diet and keeping your body in top shape. But eating too many avocados? That's a mistake. They're calorie-dense, and if you're trying to lose weight, you need to eat them in moderation. Right choice: half an avocado a day is perfect. It keeps you full and satisfied without overloading on calories. Wrong choice: eating multiple avocados daily and wondering why you're not losing weight. Balance is key. Are avocados part of your diet? Tell me in the comments. Remember, even good things should be enjoyed in moderation. Other sources of healthy fats include olive oil, nuts, and seeds. These fats help reduce inflammation, support cell growth, and provide energy. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet can boost your overall health and well-being. So, make sure to include a variety of healthy fats in your meals for optimal health benefits. Number 3. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty. Chia seeds are famous for being a superfood, but do they live up to the hype? Yes, they do. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber, omega-3s, and protein. They help with digestion, hydration, and even weight loss. But here's the catch. If you eat them dry, they can absorb water in your throat and cause discomfort. That's why it's crucial to prepare them correctly. Soak chia seeds in water or milk before consuming for better digestion. This simple step can transform your chia seed experience and maximize their benefits. Eating them dry and wondering why they make you feel bloated. Always hydrate them first to avoid any issues. Have you ever tried chia seeds in a smoothie or pudding? If not, you're missing out. They can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Central America. Historically, they were a staple in the diets of the Aztecs and Mayans. Today, they are celebrated for their versatility and health benefits. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals can boost your energy and improve overall health. So, why not give these tiny but mighty seeds a try? Your body will thank you. Number 4. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric is one of the best natural anti-inflammatory foods out there. It helps with joint pain, brain health, digestion, skin health, and even heart health. But here's what people don't realize. Your body doesn't absorb turmeric well unless you pair it with black pepper. This combo enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient, making it more effective. Turmeric, black pepper, and a healthy fat like coconut oil for better absorption. This powerful trio can maximize the benefits of turmeric. Just sprinkling turmeric on food and expecting full benefits. Without the right partners, turmeric's effectiveness is limited. Have you ever tried golden milk? It's an ancient drink that's incredibly healthy. Let me know if you want a recipe. It's a delicious way to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. Number 5. Spinach nutrient-packed powerhouse. Spinach is packed with iron, vitamins, and minerals, a true superfood. It's rich in vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, and folate. But there's something most people don't know. Raw spinach contains oxalates, which can block calcium absorption and lead to kidney stones. This doesn't mean you should avoid spinach, but it's important to prepare it correctly to reap all its benefits. Spinach is also a great source of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Lightly cook or steam spinach to reduce oxalates and unlock nutrients. This method helps in preserving its rich nutrient profile. This simple cooking method can make a big difference. Spinach can also help in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and bones. Eating tons of raw spinach every day without balancing your diet? Too much raw spinach can actually do more harm than good. Moderation is key. Are you eating your spinach the right way? Spinach is versatile and can be added to smoothies, salads, and cooked dishes. Drop a comment and let me know. Small tweaks can lead to big health improvements. Spinach is a nutrient-packed powerhouse that can boost your health in numerous ways. Wrapping it up, your superfood guide. So there you have it, 5 superfoods and the right and wrong ways to eat them. The truth is, even healthy foods can be harmful if you don't eat them the right way. Now tell me, which of these surprised you the most? Are you making any of these food mistakes? I want to hear from you, so drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips every week. Your support helps FitLife Secret keep bringing you the best health and wellness advice. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and share for more health tips.